If you want to know how to use Rumble monetization feature, this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open your Rumble, set up your account if you haven't already, click on create and create a video. So you can simply go ahead and upload a video if you want to. Simply go ahead and choose the video that you want to post. Click on next. Click on next once you enter your title. You'll need to simply go ahead and select your category, by the way. So simply go ahead and select that and click on next. Once you simply go ahead and click on next, you'll be able to choose a licensing option. This is the most crucial and critical step for monetization. So there's going to be exclusive video management. You give Rumble all the rights to your video. They distribute it to partners like Yahoo and MSN, and you receive 90% of YouTube earnings and 60% of earnings from other partners. There's also video management, excluding YouTube. Rumble manages your video everywhere except YouTube. You keep 60% of the revenue generated through Rumble's partners. There's Rumble's only. You keep all rights. The video is only monetized directly on the Rumble platform, and you receive up to 60% of the ad revenue. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll